Hey everybody, so today I want to show off a new project that have been working on, and this is my server rack. Well, it's more of like a server racking system, so to speak. So I have two bays, each bay is 16U. So you can slide this out and you can turn it to get access to the back. This is still work in progress, and honestly I don't know why I didn't film building this. Probably because I sucked at welding. So I'm gonna try to do my best. The rest of it, as you can see, it has four the sliding rails, as well as the whole thing is on turntable, and there is, I don't know if you can see, there are rubber bushings to kind of minimize the vibration that will be transferred to the walls, because there's a bedroom on the other side of this wall. So yeah, I have two bays. While this is temporarily mounted on the wall, so I can kind of see what it looks like, so I can plan other things here. I don't have any drawings or anything like that. It was kind of like popped in my head, and this is what I kind of just end up doing. I think I made it a little bit too heavy, because this is 11 gauge 1x1 square tubing. So the bottom two plates are 11 gauge. Then I have this side, and it goes, but the upper ones are 16 gauge, I believe, 16 or 14. I don't remember, but honestly, I wish I did the whole thing in 16. Besides this cage definitely needs to be 11, because it's gonna carry a lot of weight. But either way, each one of this bay is 45 pounds empty. So yeah, so this is my project. Before that, again, I'm trying to finish the garage. I'm trying to drywall it and finish it, get it painted, finish the floors. But before that, my server rack used to be in this corner. As you can see, I have all of my wiring here. I have my house newly wired with Cat 6, as well as the centralized speaker sound system, which I use HDD. Thumbs up to HDD, guys. As you can see, this is anything that's blue, that's my data. I have my coax that's actually for the modem. It actually goes into this distribution box. This is just a legacy stuff like phones, cable television, whatever. I do have a home phone number, and it goes VoIP, and I convert it into copper, and I don't even use it. I use fax, but who uses fax nowadays? I just have it, never hurts. So yeah, anyway, blue is the is my Cat 6 Ethernet. This yellow and orange is my cameras. To move some electrical. Those are the new circuits that I put in. I got two 20 amp circuits and two 20 amp circuits there, and I'm gonna have to move them just so slightly somewhere else. Like I can't move it this way. I think it's a little bit even a little bit too close now, so I'm probably gonna have to move it this way. By the way, you see that hole over there? That's a speaker that needs to be moved. That's a whole house audio speaker. As you can see, I have one over here, one over here, and you can see it was hooked up before. And obviously I have my keypad here. I was supposed to plug in. I gotta install the box. I was just doing some other stuff. So this was all drywalled, but I had to pull some 20 amp and circuits here just in case I need to put up like a bigger welder or something. It's nice to have that there. So anyways, so yeah, bottom line is that I have to take that speaker and move it probably somewhere we're gonna figure it out together. So yeah, what else? Yeah, this thing, it's gonna be pretty sweet, and that gives me a 32U space, which should be just enough for me to stick my AV stuff here and my server stuff hit there. I'm gonna have to, so those two 30 amps, they're coming from this sub panel. Sorry for the lighting, but this brand new sub panel. But I have another 30 amps, right, two of them right over here. So what I can do is I can take my UPS, plug into one of the outlets. It will be 30 amps, and then I can take the second one and do a kind of like an RV plug on this side, and from UPS it will go here all the way back to the